Beautiful people, today you're going to learn how to make my wife's vegan garlic swirls. Starting off, you want 2.5 cups of all-purpose or plain white flour, 250 grams of vegan yogurt, 50 grams of vegan butter melted, 50 grams of vegan cream cheese, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic puree, another 100 grams of melted vegan butter, 1 handful of finely chopped parsley, some extra salt to taste, and 1 handful of grated vegan cheese. Starting off, add into the mixing bowl your vegan yogurt, your cream cheese, 50 grams of vegan butter, the salt, the flour, and the baking powder. Now gradually add in a little bit of flour at a time. It's supposed to be soft and sticky. Now for the filling, 100 grams of the vegan butter, the garlic puree, and the chopped herbs. Sprinkle in some salt to taste, and we're going to roll out the dough. Make sure you spread that all out nicely, and sprinkle in your vegan cheese of choice. Now we're going to roll that up, make it nice and compact, and we're going to slice those into about 1-inch slices. Next, in a muffin tray, place them in there on a preheated oven on 180 degrees C or 355 Fahrenheit until they go lightly bubbly and golden on the edges. They need to be soft and chewy, so don't overdo them. Start off with 20 minutes, check on them, then just add them in for more if required. Folks, these are absolutely delicious as appetizers. I hope you get a chance to try them. Highly recommended. If you enjoyed this video, please do give me a like, leave a comment. Please help my channel out by subscribing. That'll be the best thing you can do. It's all vegan, 100% of the time. Ciao for now, folks. I love you all. Have an amazing week. See you on the next one.